Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start with, the Australian dollar did attempt to try and recover yesterday and look towards that 76 handle. However, with the release of the employment growth for October, came in well below expectations of 3,700. The figure was well below the 17,800 gain that had been expected by the economists. However, it wasn't all doom. The unemployment rate fell by 5.4 from 5.5 to its lowest level of 2013 in January. My strategy in the next 24 hours is likely to see a decline, but I'm not getting over bearish towards the bottom of the range. Although we are trending from an ADX, the RSI is low and also should I say to the lower side of the range. So I do expect to see a rebound from either from 75.60 or towards the base that comes in now 75.25, 35. Interesting pattern of the euro as the market rejected recently at that 118.50.70 and dropped towards 117.55 overnight with a low being of 56. In light of the pattern, I'm keeping a very close watch as if that is a strong rejection that's supported for a further bearish case. We could see the market back towards 115.5. However, we do need to see a break of 116.90 to confirm this. And on the flip side, we do also see the dollar index trading at 93.80. It has to climb above 95.20 to reinstate the bullish case. Dollar yen still maintaining a sideways pattern and still on the potential look to the downside with 112.55 to 112.30. Any advances should fail towards 113.50 to 55. My view for sterling is still neutral and still likely to trade in this roller coaster ride of 130 to 133. Although we are nudging slightly to the upside, the market could get towards 132.20.40, but unlikely to sustain above there. The gold outlook still slightly positive for the view that we could see a move up towards the resistance of 82 and on towards that rejection point that we saw recently at 88.90 with dips to buy towards 75 and a base at 70.72. Silver outlook remains unchanged and still confined within a $16.80 to $17.25. Although we have seen potential rejections from that level, I still expect to see it to be rechallenged and maybe even look towards 17.45. And as I mentioned, dips are still a buy towards $16.18. And to wrap up with oil, the market still appears bearish since the recent sell-off that we saw quite heavily. Target is at 54.70 with any advances to be contained at 56.5. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and an excellent start to the new weekend.